Start with one fresh cauliflower, remove the stem and grate it finely. Take a moment here, this texture matters. Add a little salt and let it rest for few minutes. After 10 minutes, squeeze out all the excess water and don't discard the water. This water is full of flavor and we'll use it later for the dough. Heat a pan with a little oil, add cumin seeds and let them crackle gently. Add finely chopped green chillies and ginger and let the aroma fade. Add the grated cauliflower, cook on medium heat, stirring patiently until all the moisture evaporates completely. This step decides everything. A dry filling means a soft paratha, not a soggy one. Cauliflower is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants and sulforaphane, which supports cellular health. In winter, when cold, cough and seasonal infections rise, cauliflower quietly supports the system, the immune system, and helps keep the body warm. Now season this filling with turmeric for warmth, garam masala for depth, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool. Hot filling breaks the dough. Thyme here is an ingredient. Heat a tawa, place the paratha and let it cook slowly. Flip, apply ghee and cook till golden. Crisp on the outside, soft inside. This is winter food. Grounding, warming, satisfying. Seasonal food isn't a trend, it's wisdom. Eat what grows in the season and your body knows why. If you like more such recipes, please subscribe to my channel, The Slow Whisk. Thank you for watching.